Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching how to fix tech. In this video, I am going to show how to uninstall OneDrive from your Windows permanently. For that, press Windows plus R button together and type here appwiz like this .cpl to open control panel. Okay, click on OK button. Once you click on OK button, you should be able to see Microsoft OneDrive. Okay, the install date version as well. You need to select it and then click on uninstall option here. When the prompt opens, you need to click on yes button. Okay, you can see the program has been uninstalled, and close this, and you can also re-verify it should be uninstalled. Like, see, you can see this program has been uninstalled and lot of memory and the hard disk is released from your Windows. So this is how you can uninstall the Microsoft OneDrive from your Windows. Hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.